Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am with another oud oil that is from Ensar Oud. And if you are looking for an oud oil that is going to project a lot, that is going to leave a very big trail of scent and it is very powerful and sweet, then you have to look for Tigerwood. So this is the bottle, Tigerwood. This is actually, I have the sample. I sold one of my bottle, or you can say my bottle was hijacked by one of my friends. So it was so good that one of my friend, he was very new to oud oils, and once he smelled Tigerwood oud oil, he just said that I want this bottle. So I gave my bottle to him and I had this Tigerwood Royale left. So there is Tigerwood 1990 and Tigerwood Royale. They are very close to each other, like if one is 90%, the other one is 95%. They are very similar profiles. So Tigerwood Royale, if you want a very good lasting oud oil that is going to last a lot of time on your clothes. So if you are wearing dark clothes, like you can see I'm wearing this black t-shirt, you can use this Tigerwood Royale. Now let's come to the scent or scent profile. Okay, so first thing is that you are going to smell a lot of petrichor or the earthy smell. So it is really earthy, damp, just like wet ground. Then it has some musky tones, like if you have really smelled the musk grains up close, the Kashmiri musk or Himalayan deer musk, it has some aspects of that. Then it is sweet. Okay, so it is sweet like burnt sugar. There is some touches of that, maybe 20%. It has similarities to maybe Sri Lankan oud oils that are really sweet. So earthy, musky, sweet, that is its profile. Resinous, it is going to be damp. It is not dry oud oil. So I really love oud oils that are damp and not dry. I like wet kind of feel to my perfumes and my oud oil. So this is Tigerwood Royale 2001. I think it has been sold out. So what is left is actually, let me go a bit more closer to the camera. So this has been sold out and the only left is actually Tigerwood 1990. I am also looking forward to purchase one 2-gram bottle for this one. This is a rare beauty. I would say that from Ensar Oud oil, this is one of the best oils. If you are up against longevity, projection, this is the best oud oil for projection and longevity. So that is my review about Tigerwood Royale, Tigerwood 1990. They are very similar. I cannot detect much differences between both of them. So you can go ahead and buy any of them. Some people say that Tigerwood Royale lasts a bit more longer on the clothes, or it has more longevity, but I think they are almost the same. So my daughters, both, they love this one. My wife, she always hates most of my oud oils, I think all of them. So yes, I think that is some of the things I would mention about Tigerwood Royale or Tigerwood oud oil from Ensar Oud. That is my humble review about this supreme Tigerwood Malaysian oud oil. So this is Malaysian oud oil. It is from Malaysian region. So just to inform you about it. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can have that in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.